Let's take a look at our custom video player. The first thing you'll see is where it says main, overhead, and foot. Main is the edited lesson. Overhead and foot are camera angles that will be available to you to watch when we think they will be helpful to you in learning the lesson. You'll also notice the Hamburger Menu on the upper left corner. When open, you will see specific subjects and time points within the video. This is especially helpful in longer lessons, where after you listen to the whole lesson, you might want to go back and review specific subjects you want to work on. As an example, when clicking on Full Rock Groove Exercise 1, it takes you to that point in the video. You'll also see a transcription of what she's playing on the whiteboard area under the video. As you scroll down, you will see Lesson Details. When appropriate, you will see lesson downloads, lessons, related videos, and play-alongs. You can choose Playback Speed, so every video on DrumChannel becomes a lesson as you slow it down. You can also choose the quality setting, or choose to view it in full screen or 3/4 screen. When you've completed the lesson, simply click Completed Lesson and your progress will be noted. You can also click Add to My Lessons, where you will have a complete list of all of your lessons in your dashboard under My Lessons.